Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This video will be a product review for WinBridge. They have been around since 2007, 14 years, providing customers in the United States, Canada, Germany, Japan, the Philippines, and South Korea with various voice amplifying equipment. Today I will be reviewing the U7 wireless plus lapel microphone set with the help of our friend Gary, audiovisual director. The package includes one receiver, one transmitter, one headset microphone, one lavalier microphone, one stand microphone, one dual USB charging cable, one 6.35mm adapter, and one splitter. This microphone system can be used with your smartphone. However, for best audio, it is recommended we use it with a PA system or an amplifier. It's not recommended that we use it with Bluetooth speakers or a MacBook. The transmitter has a back clip to secure to clothing such as your belt or your pocket, and then plug in the lavalier. Turn on both the transmitter and receiver, and it's ready to use when you see a steady blue light. That means it's paired. Attach the transmitter to clothing and insert the lavalier mic. Connect the wide splitter to the receiver and then plug into your mixing board or PA system. To provide an honest feedback, we tested the product for 2 weeks. The audio from Weekend was removed to avoid copyright infringements. This wireless microphone system adapts ultra-high frequency technology which transmit a stiff and stable sound up to 98 feet. In the coming clip, you will see the microphone being used during our live service.
We have this mixing board for the church, and I'm just plugging in this receiver going to the board using this cable. Okay, and then I'm going downstairs to see how far we can go with this wireless microphone. So let me test the sound first. Check 1 2 1 2, check testing. So we have a good sound quality right now. Check 1 2. I'm going to put it by the edge here, and I'm going downstairs. 1 2, check. I'm on the pulpit now. 1 2 1 2 3, testing. The signal is still good, and I'm walking around on the pulpit from left to right, and the distance is about
50.
probably 50 footers, 50 feet. So 1 2 1 2 1 2. So audio is still good. There's no static.
Yep.
So this is pretty good.
In 539, the Medo-Persians took over. First, the Medians were a little more powerful than the Persians and ruled till 531 BC. And we look back in history, and sure enough, we see the kingdom of Greece in 531 BC.
Avoid the hassle. Get your U7 WinBridge wireless microphone plus lavalier set. It is portable and very user-friendly. I will leave the link in the description box for the company information and also an Amazon link if you choose to purchase. See you in our next video.